Abasolwa babhekene necala lokumba igolide ngongemthetho, ukucekela phansi ingqalasizinda, ukwephula umthetho wokungena nokuphuma kulelizwe kanye nokutholakala nempahla eyebiwe, kulandela ukuthi bagubha umgodi emzini womunye umsolwa, ukwenza intuba yokungena nokuphuma kwabambi igolide ngongemthetho emayini esendaweni. Ummeli womunye umsolwa uthi ukuhlehliswa kwaleli cala kuzomnika isikhathi esanele sokuthi ekwazi ukuxhumana nekhasimende lakhe, futhi-ke utshelwe ukuthi aphinde abe ngummeli womsolwa wesibili.
We saw it to be very reckless to then proceed with the bail application while we still need to consult and gather further information, not only from our client, but we also wait for the investigation to transpire and for the state to at a later stage give us privy into that information.
Kusenjalo libuyele enkantolo icala elibhekene nabasolwa ngokuba nesandla ekunyamalالeni kaJoshlin Smith oneminyaka eyisithupha ngasekuqaleni kwalonyaka. Umbuso ucele ukulihlehlisa leli cala ngenxa yobufakazi obusha osebuvelile okumele buphenywe. Ufuna-ke nokufaka isicelo sokuthi leli cala ledluliselwe enkantolo ephakeme yaseKapa.
We'll be coming back on the 21st of October and it's marked final. And we hope that by that time when we come back, there'll be something that has come out of this investigation and we'll be able to plot our way forward, whether we transfer the matter or not. But we can only transfer the matter when all the investigation has been finalized.
Kodwa-ke umphakathi waseSaldanha olokhu ulandele njalo leli cala aweneme ngesenzo sombuso. Uthi ukuyisa leli cala edolobheni kuzoba kude kakhulu.
When we talk about High Court, we think of Cape Town. But if the High Court can come here, it will suit the community perfect.
Leli cala lizobuyela enkantolo mhla zingama-21 kuMfumfu. Ngakolunye udaba lihlehliselwe umhla zingama-25 kuMandulo icala elibhekene noLongwe Thwala oyindodana yomakade bona kwezomculo uChicco Thwala. uLongwe ubhekene necala lokweba impahla kababa wakhe ebiza inkulungwane zamarandi. Achithiwe-ke amacala abebhekene nomfowabo uSilo Thwala ngenxa yokungabibikho kobufakazi. uLongwe kulindeleke ukuthi afake isicelo sebheyili.